We are packed up and ready for day two. Just had some breakfast and a nice coffee, so it should get me charging a bit to start with. We're going got to get up to Fountain Falls, and then from there we cut cross country up the hill and back over the ridge to Uralla Pool, where we were yesterday. And then we've got to go up the same spur trail that we came down. So there's a little bit of elevation today, but not too much more creek walking. Maybe, about another kilometre maybe. And then we'll be done with the creek walking, which my ankles will be very happy about. But we're gonna get the packs on and bust a move. That was Steve. Female lyrebird. What an epic night. We've made it up to the first falls. This is Timbinia Falls. Absolutely beautiful. And that over there is the way up. Up over there, up over the top. And that'll get us up on top of this falls, and then we've got to get up to the next one, which is not too far, which is Fountain Falls, before we head up over the hill. Where we just came up from. Ooh. Going along the top here. Almost to the top of the falls. Found a little cave along the way. This is the stuff we're going up through. It's getting pretty rugged. A lot of log jams and stinging nettle, and that's where it gets tough. This is part of Fountain Falls, and the other part is up there. That is just beautiful. Nice deep pool at the bottom. Great place to go swimming, but it's a little cool still at the moment. We are leaving the beautiful Fountain Falls behind and heading up the ridgeline just behind me there, up the gully, up over the ridge to Uralla Pool, where we come down from yesterday. Alright, now we got the slog up the hill. We have made it back down to Uralla Pool. That was a fairly adventurous bush bash through there, down the ridgeline and down to here. There was some tape along the way, flagging tape, so that definitely made staying on the trail a lot easier. But made it back down here now, and it's time for a swim. The local resident of Uralla Pool. Nice little eel. Friendly little fella. We've had our swim. Now we've got the 4.9 kilometre climb out of here. We're going to do the normal track down here, the West Canungra circuit track. Just a bit easier gradient on the way back up rather than trying to go up the really steep Bull Ant Spur. So we're going to do that. Works out roughly about the same amount of kilometres anyway, but because we started at O'Reilly's car park, so we have to get back up there anyway, and this trail will take us straight back to O'Reilly's. So we'll keep heading on up. To the border track. A few hundred metres and we'll be back to O'Reilly's. We have made it back to the car. So that hike was a bit of a doozy. Not gonna lie, my legs are killing me. Bottom of my feet are quite sore from having wet feet a lot, but quite enjoyable to get back up here, and some of those falls we saw are just amazing. And yeah, places we went swimming in places that not many people have even been to. It's just amazing. And yeah, so Dave's just up getting something to eat and a drink. I'm going to head up there and join him. So it's this time of the video again. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and drop me a comment if you want. And until next time, I will see you on the next adventure. Thanks for coming along with us.